Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to save number in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to save contact number in Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to save contact number one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Nokia keypad mobile, you want to add contact number, you want to save contact number, so you can save contact number. Open your phone contact setting. Friends, already I have two number. You want to add any contact number, so you can add number. Friends, click here left button, group option, add new contact, delete contact, share contact, add new contact sorry add new contact. First name enter. So friends, I will enter my friend name. Ravi. Last name you want to add, so you can add, and you can use first name and last name settings. So friends, last name I will set here friend and school. SCH L Ravi school. Number example guys, number is 989999442889. So guys, now I will set here 1 2 3 4. For an example 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Again tap here, save contact, select option, contact number will add, contact number will save in your Nokia keypad mobile. You can check Ravi school, RS Ravi school. So like that friends, you can add contact number, you can save contact number in your Nokia keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.